Welcome students on St. John's online class. I am your mathematics teacher Syed Zafar, and our today's topic is functions of set. First of all, the definition of functions of set is that the specific binary relation of sets is called the function of set. In our previous class, we have already discussed the binary relation of sets. Binary relation of two sets may be obtained by the Cartesian product of two sets. Here we consider an example. We have two sets, set A and set B. Set A contains two elements, 1 and 2, while set B has two elements, A and B. So their product we get has four elements, means four ordered pairs. From these four ordered pairs, we can determine the subsets, and the list of subsets may be obtained as R1 to R16. As we know, the null set is always a subset of each and every set. The other subsets contain one order pair, means one element of the given set. We are going to find the subsets of. Some will contain two order pairs, means two elements. Some will contain three elements, means three order pairs. And finally, the set itself is also a subset of itself, and this is the not only subset, it is also equal set. So we say that this is improper subset. So every set is improper subset of itself. From this list of subsets, means these all except the null set, these all 15 are the binary relation of two given sets A and B. Amongst from these 15, some will be qualified as the functions. All these subsets are not functions. So for function, we have some particular things or particular relations. We are going to discuss that, and we will find out the functions from these all subsets. Here there is a list of binary relations of set A and B. Here we have taken the subsets with two elements and with three elements. So in order to determine the function, the very simple and effective way to determine the functions is to find out the domain and range from these subsets. So what is domain? Domain is a set which is determined by the first elements of all order pairs of binary relations. Like, we consider a relation with two elements, 1A and 2A. So a set which is determined using the elements occupying first place of order pairs, it is a set with two elements 1 and 2, and this is equal to our given set A. Similarly, a set which is determined by the elements occupying second place of order pairs, and in this case there is A, so this set contains only one element, that's A, and this is not equal to the second set, that's B, and the relation is the relation of A and B sets. So this relation we also demonstrate with the help of diagrams, and when we use diagrams, the relation, the first pair 1A, this red line arrow mark is showing this first order pair, and this yellow color line or arrow is showing the second order pair 2A. The tail end is always at the first place, means at the elements which are placed at the first place of order pairs. So in such way, where the all elements of first set are paired, like here 1 and 2 both are paired, so we can say that this relation is a function. This is not necessary the other set is also include or concluded as the range. This range may be a subset of the other set, and we can state it as the function A into B. Another example, the similar one, the same thing is explained there. Both the elements of first set are paired, but only one element of the other set is paired. As domain is equal to the first set A, so we can say that this binary relation is a function. This is another example. Here, not only the all elements of first set are paired, but the elements of other set, that set B, they are also paired. The binary relation having two elements, two order pairs, 1A and 2B. So this 1A is demonstrated and it is given here as the red arrow mark, and other one is in some other color. So now, as here domain is equal to A and range is also equal to the other set. So this is also a set, because for being a function, the mandatory condition required is that the all elements of first set must be paired. So here it is also, so we can say that it is also a function of A and B. So here we can conclude that such binary relation of A into B, where domain is equal to set A and every single element of A is associated with element or elements of set B, called function of A to B, and this A to B is represented with some arrow mark, where their tail end is facing the first set and arrowhead is facing second set. The important thing that must be noted is that in the binary relations, to be qualified to be a function, tail end of arrows must not be repeated at any element. It means the elements of first set will be paired once, every element, but single time. We cannot repeat that. If it is repeated, like here in this example, where there we use a binary relation with 3 elements, 3 order pairs, one is repeated. When there is the repetition of the element of first set, we say that it is not a function. This is binary relation, but it is not the function. So we say that this relation is not a function because of tail end is repeated at element of first set A. That means one element of first set is associated with more than one element of other set. So the types of functions, there are 3 types. First, onto function. Second, 101 function. And number 3, 101 and onto function. First, onto function. A binary relation of A into B in which domain is equal to first set A and range is equal to B. So this is called a function A onto B. Here it is example for that. So we can conclude here the domain is equal to 1 means a set which is derived from the first places of order pairs 1, 2, 3, that is equal to given set A, and the set which is derived from the second places of order pairs, it contains 2 elements A and B, and that is equal to given set B. So if range is equal to second set and domain is equal to first set, then such type of function is called A onto B. Here we should also note down that the elements of first set cannot be repeated. Here you can find 1, 2 and 3, they are paired ones. But on other side, these elements of second set may be repeated. Second type, 101 function. Such a binary relation of A into B in which every distinct element of first set A is associated with distinct elements of other set B means as the elements of first set are not repeated, similarly the elements of other set means second set will also not be repeated. So we can observe here in this example the two elements of first set are paired with the two elements of other set, but there is no repetition of the elements of second set, and such type of function is called 101 means every element of first set is paired with distinct element of other set B. Third type, 101 and onto function means this function has both qualities. It will be 101 means distinct element of set A will be paired with the distinct elements of set B. As well, there will be no repetition in both sets elements. No element of first set will be repeated, as well no element of other set will be repeated. So we can define it as such a binary relation of A into B in which every distinct element of first set A is associated with distinct element of other set B and range is equal to set B. Example is here. We consider two sets A and B. First set contains two elements 1 and 2, and second set B contains two elements A, B. So we have paired them with the help of this geometrical shape. This representation tells 1 paired with A and 2 paired with B. So the set which is derived from the first places of order pairs 1 and 2, that is called domain, and it is equal to set A. The set which is derived from the second places of order pairs, it has also two elements A and B, and it is equal to set B. It means this relation shows both the qualities. First, 101 means there is no repetition of the elements of either of set A and either of set B. Second, the range is equal to the second set, that is here we used set B. So this was all about the function and the types of functions we did. Now there is assignment for the students. Here are two questions we are given. The question 1, here you will find two 101 functions using sets A and B. Set A has two elements x, y, and set B has three elements 1, 3 and 5. And question number 2, here again we have given you two sets, set A and B. Using these two sets, you will find the two functions of A onto B. You will solve these questions in your mathematics register, and you will submit for the checking to your teacher in the class. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.